Right, so this is just a quick installation video of the Eurosport rear stress bar for the mk4 GTI. Sorry about the trunk. This is my car and I use it for work. On the instructions it calls to cut on the side over here, but I decided to cut over here as well. And then I'm not using a center punch. I just did four dots with the Sharpie. And then now I'll drill the pilot holes. It calls for a 1/8 bit. And then after the 1/8 bit, you're gonna go with the 7/32 over there. These are the bolts that it comes with. They are what is it, 3/8. So I have my nut driver on the impact over there, set on 2 so that I don't over tighten them. And it seems fairly easy to install. I don't have a tripod with me, so I guess I'll have to pause it while I drill the holes in. Alright, so the 1/8 pilot hole has been drilled in. I can now go with the 7/32. Put this bad boy on drill. A lot easier to drill with 2 hands, but they're on there now, and we shall see. Hold on 1 second, and I will get the other section of the video ready. Okay, so the holes are lined up somewhat. When I install these, it should make everything stiffer. Alright, so I got the top ones on. Second ones, I wanted to get some impact action on this video, but the whole installation, probably without taking a video, would take about 10 minutes. And that's it right there. That's the Eurosport rear stress bar. Yeah, and this stress bar just goes right behind the seat. Take a video from the back too. After, open the trunk. And that's what it looks like from the trunk space. Sorry about the mess in my trunk. I do keep all my tools in my car from time to time, but yeah, it's on there pretty good. Eurosport.